Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Maria, and in this tutorial I'm gonna share with you guys how you can exactly style or how to style your music storybook inside of Artistly. You can use any kind of style that you want, depends on the characters that you want to use, and it depends on the music that you want to use for your music storyboard. Alright, so before we go and jump into my computer, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for all my followers, if you already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead guys to my new school community. I've just created a school, and please follow me there. Just go there and I will put the link on the description. And for those of you who want to open a school and start to leverage your skills, or if you want to teach or whatever you want to teach something inside of your school, I'm going to also put the link on the description so you can open your own school for 2026. All right, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. All right, so now we are here in Artistly and we're going to create a design. Click design and fast AI image designer, and here on the top tools we're going to click the AI design agents. I just want to show you guys that you can create any style of a story music storyboard. It depends on your story, or if you want to make a little bit funny you can always do that. All right, so I'm gonna click a music storyboard here, and I'm going to upload the audio. Now for this tutorial I'm going to use the music that I downloaded from YouTube library. So this is 100% safe, no copyright. Alright, so I'm gonna click the little fish, this one, and then I'm just gonna open it. There you go. And then the story style, it depends on what kind of story that you want. I think I might, okay, let's see if I go to AI art illustration, you can find a lot of style here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the picture style. And I click generate image, and let's see how it looks like. All right, so now here you go guys, here are the images that I got from my music that I uploaded. There you go. Oh, it's cute, so I just want to let you know guys that you can also create other style of your storybook music aside from photorealistic. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to Video Express. What we're gonna do is we're going to import all the images that we just created inside of Artistly. Okay, so to that, import from Artistly, click this one, and there you go. All the images that we just created inside of Artistly are now here. So you can import this if you connect or input your API here inside of Video Express. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is I'm going to click import. So I'm going to start from, okay, so as you see, these guys are the photorealistic images that I just created for the videos that first video that I created, and the second one is this. I'm gonna show you guys this one later. So I'm gonna click this one, click all of these guys because we're gonna use this for our video music. These are all images yet, so we need to convert this into a video, but we need to import all of this first. Okay, and then click import. All right, so now there you go. So we already import all of this. Now to find where are they, we're going to go to media library, click this one, and then here on the folders guys, you will see here my Artistly images, because those images are come from Artistly. So you're gonna click this folder so that you can see where those images go, right? So now there you go. So these are all still static, these are all still images, so we're gonna make a video for this. And to do that guys, since there is so many of this, I'm just gonna make at least 3 or 2 sample, and then you do the same process until you finish all of these images. Okay, so to create a video, we're going to click create with AI, and then from image to video we're gonna use this one, and we're going to click select. Okay, so now from all of these folders we're going to find those images that we just download it from Artistly, and you see my Artistly images. Click the folder, and now there you go. So we're going to start to create a video for your music, but we can only do this one at a time. All right, so I'm going to start this, and then I'm gonna click choose, and there you go. So since this is a 3D, so I'm just gonna click 3D, automatically enhance the video hump if you want to, but I'm just gonna uncheck this, and I just want to have like a little bit of video length booster. So I'm going to create a video for this image. Create the video, and there you go. So while waiting for this video to get ready into our media, we're going to go to another image. Okay, keep going. Oops. Okay, we're gonna choose the next image. Go to your my Artistly folder images. All right, so now let's go to the next image. I'm gonna click this and choose, and then I'm going to change this to 3D and create a video. After this, we're gonna choose the next image while we're waiting for those images to process. All right, so now we're on the third one. Then choose image, click 3D and create a video. Okay, choose image again. It's a lot of work, guys, but you know, it is what it is. That's all we can do. We can bulk download for all of this. We're gonna do this one at a time. So now let's see, guys, how many we created 4 images, right? So let's go to the library so that we can see how the video goes. Okay, so to find out where are those, let's go back to media library. Go ahead, find my AI videos, and let's see. Okay, so now it's still processing, so let's just wait for seconds and keep doing the same process, guys, over and over again, and I'll see you in the end. All right, so now we're back here, and now some of the images are already converted into video. So what we're gonna do is going to drag all of the images here on your workstation. Drag it one at a time. All right, so now once you pull all your videos here, we're going to download the music. Okay, click the library, go to audio folder and click upload. Go to your files and upload the music that you used inside of Artistly, right? So I used this one, and I'm just going to open it and upload that files. All right, so now once we upload the music, we're just going to drag the music here under the images, just like that, and let's play these 4 ones. Okay, so okay, well, hold on, I'm going back to library, and let's see if the 2 others are finished. Oh, okay, so now it's done, and I'm just gonna add it here. All right, so now let's play this one, and let's see how it looks like and how it sounds like. All right, so this is the music that's just like instrumental music. I'm just showing you guys that you can do a lot of, variation of the music that you want. But if you want to put some sound music, I'm going to show you guys. This is the other way. If you just want to have an instrumental music and have this kind of video, just to kids watch while listening, then you can do that also. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys is the other video that I created. Okay, so this is the no sounds, it's just instrumental. All right, so now here is the other variation of the music that I just created. It's not a 3D, it's a photorealistic style. So, and this is not an instrumental. There is a lyrics that I include in here, and the music also coming from the YouTube library. So let's listen.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
All right, so that's it, guys. Now you can create a lot of style of music that you want. You can create a 3D, you can create a picture, you can create a photorealistic based on your music or sounds that you want to use for this. You can get to YouTube library wherever you want to get your music, and you can create any kind of characters that you want for your story music. Okay.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.